Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. I want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers, and if you're new here, you're very welcome. Here you get to learn how to make beautiful flowers you can attach to your dresses and wears. So we'll be making this flower, and the material we used for this is a satin material, and I used 3 different colors, and I cut them into square of same size. So basically, after cutting them into square like this, you go straight into burning the edges with a lighter. I just burned the excess at the edge with a lighter to avoid it pulling out when you're using them. So now I'm folding them into the shape we want to use to get that flower, to get the flower we are currently making. So you can see how I'm folding it. You first of all fold it into half like a triangle, then you fold it again. So after folding, you just bring the 2 edges together and burn it with your lighter. Then you use your hand to press it to secure them together in order for it not to go out. Sorry, my camera didn't pick this part very well. So now you trim it first, then you burn the bottom in order for it to sit well. So the same way I folded the first one, that's the way we are going to be folding everything. So I'm just doing the second one for you to get the whole folding process. After the first fold, you fold it again the second time, and then once you get a shape like this, you just bring the 2 edges together and you use your lighter to burn it and press it with your hand to hold it together. Please mind you, it's not all fabric that can actually come together even after burning. Like an Ankara will not go through this process, like it won't really burn and stick together. That's why it's advisable for this design you use a fabric or any other material that you can actually burn and it sticks together. So this is the 3rd color that I'm folding. After the first fold, you fold again, and then you burn it, hold it, press it with your hands, and then we're done with that. Then you trim the bottom, and then you burn it with a lighter, and that is all. So that's how we'll be making the rest of the flower. For the number of, it depends on how much you're doing for each flower. You can do 6 pieces, you can do 5. It depends on what you want. For this flower, I did a total of 9. That's 3 for each color. The white was 3, the black 3, and the other color was 3 as well. So I just, after the folding, we'll go into gluing them together. So I just did the gluing together by the colors. You can decide in this place, you can be more creative and then mix them together, one color, the second one, and the 3rd one. So but I just decided to do the colors one after the other. So I glued the first 3 colors, the second one, the 3rd one, and then I'll bring all the colors together to form our flower. So just watch and learn and see how I did it. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. our flower is almost ready, so I'm just going ahead to bring the three colors together to form the flower. If you've watched to this point, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for sticking till this time. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, like this video, and do turn on your notification bell to be notified when I post a new video. I'll be posting more of these different designs and colors, so just watch out. Thank you so much for watching. So our flower is ready. I'm just going ahead to put the pearl. So you can use any pearl of your choice, any one you want to use at all, to design, to cover the rough edges in the middle. So this is what we have. Our flower is all done. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, just give it a thumbs up and watch out for my next video. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.